One.
Okay, so now we're looking today at angles on parallel lines. Okay, so let me just get my thingy. My thingy is what is it? Pointer. Sorry. Okay, so your parallel lines are these. Now you can tell they're parallel because they've got this little arrow on them. It means that they're never going to meet. They're always going to be the same distance apart. And then you get this line here that crosses them, which is your transversal, and it creates angles. So there's an angle, there's an angle, there's one, there's one, there's one, there's one, there's one, there's one. Okay, so we're going to talk about that. So first of all, now guys, you need to write this down as well. Corresponding angles. Okay, so corresponding are angles that are equal. So you've got two R's in there. They're both the same. The angles are equal. But where do you find them? So you find them in the same spots. They're almost like twins, okay? So you think of the R and the R being the same. So can you see that that X is under the line, okay? And it's on the right of the transversal. So it's under the parallel line on the right of the transversal. This one is under the parallel line on the right of the transversal. So they're situated basically in the same spot. They create, when they say an F, they create an F. Can you see? F there. And they are the same. So if they tell you that this one's 72, you know that this one is 72. Okay. And you can have them on this other side as well. The F can be backwards. So this side, it's underneath the parallel line on the left of the transversal, underneath the parallel line on the left of the transversal. They're the same. They've got two R's. They're equal. Okay. So please pause me and write that down. And another way that they can show it, these ones are above the parallel line on the left, above the parallel line on the left. All the different ways that they could be. And on the other side as well. All right, now we're looking at co-interior. Now, if we're with something, we're working with someone. So together, the angles will add up to 180 degrees. So if we give you one and it's 100, you know the other one will be 80. Okay, so together, working together, they add up to 180 degrees. And this is where you'll find them. Inside the parallel lines, okay, on the same side. So can you see that that's a little small angle? This one is a bigger angle. A plus B gives you 180. So they're inside, they're interior, they're working together to make 180 degrees, and they make a C shape. There's a backward C shape on the inside of them. All right, now you're looking at alternate angles. Now, alternate angles are equal. I'm imagining that when you're walking, okay, you step and then you step, the same pressure, the same footprint, so they're equal. This is how it looks. So you've got one on this side. Also, now have a close look, okay, so it's underneath the line on the left, above the line, this one's underneath the line on the right, and this one's above the line on the left. So it's completely opposite, and it's almost like steps. You know, like you put your one foot there and your other foot there. Okay, and they are equal. You can actually look and you can see that they are equal. And they create a Z. So those are alternate. You get lots of those. Those are alternate as well because it's under on the left, above on the right. Step, step. Imagine that they step, step. Same, same. And that, my darlings, is that. So go ahead and give it a try.